Hi, everyone. Amy Bradkovic with PNM Resources. So I was in, I have to put my old lady glasses on. So I was in the group for expanding your base. I think what's important in trying to get a good foothold for Taproot in the organization is you really do have to demonstrate the value of the methodology. I won't go over all of these. But I think one of the struggles that we had was management and a lot of leadership was claiming that Taproot was just taking too long. And my rebuttal to that always was, well, yeah, it takes a lot longer than doing nothing, and that increases risk, right? But one of the things that we do is if we've got good investigators, and a good investigator is building good, strong snap charts, with good causal factors, good conditions, they've done their homework. We don't do the root cause analysis by committee. I don't need 6 or 8 people in the same room to do a root cause analysis. I'm good at that part. That's why I was trained as an investigator. If I've got good information, I can do the root cause analysis myself. And that really does help demonstrate the value. We get more quality investigations. It's taken us a while to expand that base and get buy-in, but we are getting closer every day. So thank you.